Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. This video is show you about the group of family on the top of the mountains during the midday. The first, please subscribe the channel for those who are just coming. And during this time, the monkey, especially the baby, are sleeping. Even though the mother is sleeping, but their head, their minds always keeping on caring baby. And look at the babies, they sleep very well. The pregnant one is itchy and she going to fall asleep very soon. She look up and down, side left, side right, in case that there is something to it. All the mother monkey are going to fall asleep. For the baby, even though they are sleeping, but the mouse always drink mommy meal. Mommy monkey never sleep by lay down. They always sit and close their eye because they have baby inside their arms. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell. The monkeys stay in group in case that they can have each other when someone attacks them. The pregnant mommy sleeping. Look at the baby, the young boys, or I can say adult monkey. When the mother and brother, sister sleeping, he is playing alone. The monkey never sleep for a long time. They just close their eyes and stay still for a while and then wake up. If something happen, even though they heard the sound, they will open their eyes to see. The way that monkey sleeping is very adorable style. They sit and sleep by closing the eye. It's such a peaceful situation. during the break time that monkey take a rest with families. Just sleep and wake up, sleep and wake up, sleep and wake up very often to protect the enemy and to deserve the food